guys, welcome back to the shop. As you can see behind me, it is a mess. We've got a new addition, Yale forklift, skid steer. This table is thankfully going today. Somebody's coming by to pick that up. And then all this behind me, barn tin is going today too. So we're getting that out, trying to make some room. So unfortunately today I am here to take care of a problem, and that problem is thieves. And this door was broken into, and I lost some tools. Lost a, well, from what I can tell right now, a Sawzall, a blower, and you know, a radio. And so yeah, not sure what else, but now everything's locked in the cabinet. I've gone around and secured the window openings from the inside, but today we're going to do a metal frame over the windows, trying to make it look good, but also try to make it look like it's going to be a pain in the butt to get in here, because I don't want my tools stolen. So anyway, stick with me. It's not the most fun circumstances, but we're going to try to make some good window coverings, and let me know what you think. Let me know if this has happened to you in the past and what you've done. So thanks for watching. Just a side note, I mean, the people that do this are just trash. Not only do they steal from, you know, just a homeowner or, you know, business, but they're stealing from each other. This is somebody's luggage. I'm sure they're homeless, and this person took it upon themselves to steal it, pilfer what they wanted, and leave the trash here, and then break into my building. So, I mean, that's the type of people you're working with, and you just got to make it as hard for them to get into your place as possible. Nothing's 100%, you know, solid, but if you make it not worth their time, then you're as safe as you're going to be. All right, so here's the side of the building. This is the window I'm concerned. You can see I've got boards screwed up there, but you know, it doesn't look like it'd be too hard to get into that. Have easy access from this house's front yard, and the people that are doing this crap, yeah, they don't really care. So they broke into this house probably the same night, broke a window in the back, and caused some damage inside. So yeah, we're gonna secure that window and try to make it look good, and also make it look like it's not gonna be very easy to get in. That's the plan. All right, guys, we are back in the shop. I've got the welding table set up. I've got my corner clamps. It's gonna make it a little easier. I've got some 2 by 1 inch square stock and some 1 inch square stock. It's Sunday today, and I need this window secured, so I'm just gonna use what I've got, and I think it's gonna look pretty good. So I'm gonna cut this down to rough size, and then 45 it all, and start fabrication. So here we go. Okay, so here's kind of a rough layout of what I got going. I think this is the look I'm gonna go for. I want it to look nice, but I also want it to kind of scare off anybody trying to break in. These are theoretically big enough that somebody, if they really wanted to, could squeeze through. So I think I'm gonna go with this for right now. I can always add expanded metal or something if I needed to, but we'll see how this works out. Okay, I got my metal cut down using these corner clamps. Makes it easy. I start welding this together, grind it down. Not gonna talk too much about it while I do it, because it's pretty simple. Just gonna flex core weld it with my Hobart welder. Gonna have the fan on because it's 92 degrees in here right now. So yeah, I'm gonna be sweating by the end of this. So let's just get to it and get this done. Okay, so we may have lost a little video there, but didn't lose any audio because I've got the fan going full blast, and I'm about to turn it back on. So basically got the frame welded out. Going to put a cross member straight down, and then one across on either side, center those. And yeah, sand it down, grind it down, and that's gonna be it. Then we're gonna get some paint on it because it's about 2 o'clock on Sunday, and I gotta get out of here before too long, and I want that window secure. So here we go. Okay, I'm happy with how it looks. We're gonna get some fast drying primer on it, and then put a top coat on it, and get it screwed to the wall, and get this wall or this window secured. So here we go. She's not the prettiest, but it's a workshop, and it's Sunday, and I gotta have this up tonight. So here we go. All right, guys, here it is. Sorry about the sunlight, but got this installed. Is it foolproof? No. Can you get in? Yeah, if you really want to. There's probably nothing I can do to stop you. But this will definitely make it a little harder, and hopefully keep the shop safe. So it's just a pain in the butt that I have to do this, but every window is going to get a covering like this, and I think they look pretty good. So it doesn't look, it's not like barbed wire, but it gets the point across that you're not really welcome to come in my shop. All right, thanks for watching, guys.